Hello, my people. Una good evening. This video, I want to use and take reply one video. When somebody send, come carry give me for his side, carry and come give me for where I sit down, put for his side inbox. Say, Rita, take make you wash am. I don't watch the video. Now, one sister will be motivational speaker. You know, say this motivational speaking work, where would they do so? It's a self-employed work. We give ourselves that name, marriage counselor. Nobody give us so. Now waiting we like, now we give ourselves because we like her. We choose and we don't wait make people come ordain us. We ordain ourselves because so this life you go wait it all. Nobody they can't give you anything you want. You must go and get it by yourself. No one they can't give you. No wait, see anybody who can't give you anything. Now lie. If you not take them by yourself and by force, now you are where you are. That is what life is. Now so this sister they talk, say sister motivational speaker, he say Bini women. Una go forget say Bini men dey. Una go dey marry Kokobiri. Una go dey marry men wey come for another place. People wey they talk that thing, I use God to beg una. 2020 now they live for say na 1840. Now una dey. What you carry una come for Nigeria? Why una not stay there? Why will you be so tribalistic? Why will you be so racist? You are a racist of the highest order. Hypocrisy. You see, what even converse me pass? The person where they talk so. If na even woman wey get Benin man for his ass, don't go even pay me. Go pay me more. If na man wey get Benin woman for his ass, he go pay me more. I'll say, Ika material na man niyaji. You wey be say, Igbo man, they sleep for your chest if night reach. Why? Because you love her. Now, Benin man be that? No. Oyibo, the second husband, he go constantly sleep join her. You don't get problem. But an African man like you, who have the same skin color with you, you are resisting the person saying, why am I going to marry Kokobiri? Egbe we wa mosefo. Doma no ta eva admon ji admon na egbe no mosefo we dok pari. De keni admon ji. Where is it written to say if woman body come find finish, as long as say na Benin woman, now only Benin man na the shopper? Why? Men na today more na the select topic they do. Not be topic where go come give una uprising. Na no wetin be uprising. When be say another person go dey fire you from another corner. Because this social media is getting big and everybody have his own platform. You talk rubbish, somebody else have a way to reply your nonsense. You can't do nothing about it. You did that nonsense video. You not mention anybody's name, so I will not mention your name. Yes, it's not important. It's not important. What you talk now important, not be you. How you go carry that kind of talk proof for mouth? Say the Benin women, una just find finish. Una carry the body, una go give another country woman. What can you do? Not bene war or you know. The deserver. Man where he suffer for no woman. Man where he repair woman. He give woman happiness. Now that kind of man, that woman they stay with. Not be man where he want be commander-in-chief of the armed forces. To destroy the mentality of the woman, to destroy the brain of the woman. No. A person must go with a man, not a monster. I wanted a man in my life. I will go for a man, not a monster. You hear me? So when you are talking, select your topic very well. I say you select beans. So that person not go come out, come hammer you, and you're not going to do anything about that. So all those talk will be say big talk. They call them big talk. If you're a motivational speaker, you want to motivate people, tell them to say, if you see this in the life of this man, it's a red flag. Don't go for it. That's a motivational speaking. If you see this in the life of this woman, that's a red flag. Don't marry that woman. That's a red flag. You can't. Now, where person foresee happiness, now there, now they sit down put. Men now stop to castigate people. Black Africans racist. Stop it. If you are a black African and you are the type who is going against racism in other countries, you are the biggest hypocrite in this life. Hypocrisy must stop. Una way the racist una self blacks. Check yourself. You where they talk say Benin women must all marry Benin women. Did you love your fellow Benin brother very well? Your fellow Benin woman, you love her very well by yourself. Check her well. If better thing the entire life you dey green, you dey like her, if they make you happy. Think her. Don't just come out on platform because you want to talk. Say you must. Una go sit down for that. Everybody go there. You una sit down for una platform. Una must go. They use una mouth. They talk where they don't call una put. Eh, me na mati wa. You know must to degbe. Why I get bu wa ba be ba. Why I tell me no mak ba no. Benin woman, you just carry your body, you go give this man, you go give Kokobiri. Who talk and say the Benin woman wait don't find finish now only Benin man the shopper men no why cannot go in the water. It may what when you wait video than you see a gavana. It's here because if you don't pass, you know what you do too much be. People where they talk that thing, say you now go marry another African man, you go marry another African man, you go meet another. You see racism everywhere. Racism everywhere. I don't hear it many times. I call it arrant rubbish and nonsense. You don't do like that. No. It's not written anywhere that a Benin woman must marry a Benin man. You be Benin woman. I beg you, see your love for Igbo man body. Go and marry that Igbo man, my sister. Get your peace. Peace is what is needed in life. If your head don't kaput finish, nobody they can't help you arrange her. This Europe it is so. Now talk all of us just they will not they go anybody else go arrange her for now. Lie will not they go. If we talk and finish for you, we enter our beg. Bibu too. I love you. I help her. Now this man, so wait till go help you. Now you know and you go do one for yourself. If you know say the life where you want to live good for you, where select your beings. Live that kind of life. Don't allow somebody to come and use the man to say, especially the ones who are just coming up, young ones. If you see your love for Benin man body, hold the man where marry him. You see your love for Calabar man body, go there, go marry him. That yeah talk with that woman talk where they talk say, una picking where una born for them. All this Africa country. Then not they go house. Sister, I want to ask you, how many children you see say for Europe say them born for Europe here? Even Benin to Benin, where you born for this Europe when they carry go Nigeria, go stay. Or when you see people they now here I tell the here relocation. After we have made it in Europe, we relocate to Africa. After we have made it here, we relocate to Africa. We are still here. Relocation not great relocate. Hypocrisy of the highest order. Allow people to live their life. Don't dictate for people how to live their life. If people are enjoying what they are doing, allow them to do it. Stop becoming a setter at every stage. Who want to become who want dictating the life of people. Now not do that. Castigating people for no reason is a sin, it's a crime. Stop castigating people. Allow them to live what they want. If Benin woman see Shama, like can make him marry him. Now their happiness. Oh yeah, continue riding your horse. That is your happiness. Ride it very well. If you are an Igbo man, you see Benin woman, come and marry us. Benin sisters are many who are looking for husband. They never see. Let me say husband not there. We are talking about husband material. Wife full everywhere. Men they see the cry say wife material not their side. If you see your material anywhere, my brother carry it and sew it. Turn to a better tailor and arrange your material. Don't allow somebody to come and tell you to say, this is where you will marry. You will marry from. Now lie. A human being is a human being. As long as the person is breathing, as long as the person is having the blood running through his or her vein, as long as the person is a human being, reason, the senses are correct, as long as the person thinks normally, it's not a moron here, go and marry the person and get your joy. You like the person, give you joy, go there and marry that person. Collect your joy, and that one matter. The people will go tell you, you are telling people to only marry Benin men. So you want them to marry the culture. You want them to only marry the tradition. Or maybe to insult one. I thought a platform on Atali nonsense, rubbish. Rubbish. I decided to say this kind of word. If I want to talk with you, God forbid me, I can't talk for a better house. I hear tell me why so social media now damuja yinata na mula woman. Come at the type person say, yeah, una we be Benin sisters. We go marry an African man. Una not supposed to marry there. We go be una should not go as a day. Why Igbo? Why Igbo? Eko wa gavumpo. Ezozo. Man we read dey okay with his life. No, me ameko wa evun. E beg me no ma ve wo. O kone ko wa evun. E beg me no ma ve wo. E beg e don ma ve yon mama ve. Me ma don ma ve yon mama ve. Because e ko wa me evun mo gesi. Wa die ko wa avun wa. When a motivational speaker no ri un gbepo, no ri un gbaga, no ri un gbiri me no we degbe ne we na lagodi eke. No na ata le gba rubbish video. Go and think very well. Stop telling people who to marry. You are a Benin woman, you meet a Yoruba man who loves you very well. Embrace him. Don't listen to what people will say. You be Igbo woman, you see Benin man, you love and well. My sister, come and marry our Benin man. Maybe what other things you are bringing, we also teach the ones who don't know what they are supposed to know. What you have here, you will also teach us. We are in 2020, where intermarriages is everywhere. Germans are getting married to Romanians over here. They are living a good life. People marry where they like. Not be today starts. A tribalism. Erere no la rieke no kote do de ni wa bunso. Wala o wa isi marieke o da o ma oni malari ve do. Waga isi marieke. Urewebo ugwale oviedo no amare. Ihwe mo so wan oviedo. Ihwe do so wan wan oviedo wo do asin ya ya na. Wo ri oni oviedo do aha ma we. Though who no ma yani setting your men on name character no beg again yes to stand. Then now we do you must come and marry the woman by force. You must come and marry the man by force because in Abini. It's language, culture, tradition enough for a person to cling your life on for life. Because of the language a person is speaking, the tradition or the culture the person has, it's enough for people to get engaged with somebody that you are not compatible with for life. Is that enough? When you go to school, you are learning. At least, and yes, over selected beings, okay, tell me, so you reason very well. And no man make sense why you got talent. Stop condemning our young ones who are coming up. You love her. So you don't advise people say you must marry an Igbo man, you must marry Benima, you must marry that. No. If you see your love in Jamaica, go for it. Life is about happiness. We say no, you're happy with that more way. Boy, you are shining for the next 15 years. That is what life is. We say no, you're that more way. It will change your life for the rest of your life. You will never remain the same again. If you cry for 2 hours, you go know the way the whole of your body go be the whole day. What is it? You only get married to a person that you are compatible with. That's what marriage is. You don't marry because you see another person is getting married. Because another man do one, must do one. Because the other woman do one, you must do one. No. People go for what they want. When people calculate their life very well, they see and they go for them. Stop castigating them and calling them names. This one, you want to go. The last thing where I want to tell you. A motivational speaker not really big man, not telling me. A last word in the only hammer way. When over yet do. No marry ovi no le lovi bohian we le bohian what am ye do we e kokobiri wale le sister kokobiri we hin wo tagbo won ni sama we na e kokobiri hin wo tagbo ivi gbo e kokobiri yan waji ebo e kokobiri yan waji o ma be no be marry ovi e wo we wa wo vie bo ni e kokobiri no abi we to bu we no be ri ebo e kokobiri hin brother no vitalo no marry wa aru so ma ni teme na wo honu kwa we do una maro we e kokobiri ya okini ya nwa a message na me do when me give wa bavana because ohia to agbe iri nu kwase social media wa bogo got too much mu wa gbe amata me no ya we to ya bo wetin doleji wetin doleji when has love matter becomes a thing of saying you must marry this, you go and marry the other one. People marry who they love. Egbe we ne mo se na wo wa mu give fun ope na ke hon ibungbe wa geri yo if I not your mama, you get Deveki, what get you or too much gbe.